So this is a really quick example of ways that we could maybe use CoLab for processing forks. All the processing files are uploaded on GitHub, and then we're going to go into CoLab and pull those files off GitHub and use them for processing a data file that's stored locally on your computer. So the first thing to start is that you need to be logged into your Gmail or your Google account. You can see I'm logged in up here. And then importantly, in Google Chrome browser, paste in the address that I sent you, and that will take you to the notebook for processing, which is automatically being pulled from GitHub. Now, the way that we move through the notebook is by sequentially clicking on the cells and hitting Shift and Enter to process them. The first thing we can do is actually load up a tutorial video like this one. I'm not going to bother showing you that, but ultimately this is the one that does everything. This is going to install the FORC Sensei package. It's going to install various other packages. It'll then give us an opportunity to upload our data from some local file, and it's just going to pass the measurements and plot them, and that's all. It's really simple, and this is really just a test of the CoLab concept rather than any kind of final product for processing. So all I need to do in order to execute this is just press Shift and Enter together. It gives me some warnings that I can't do anything about, that this notebook's loaded from GitHub and I don't need to reset my runtimes. I can switch that off and say run anyway. And it's running. The first thing it's going to do is download all the processing files from GitHub, and now it can choose the file that I want to process. Just click on that. These are my various fork files. I'll just choose one and say open. It'll now download that file to CoLab. Takes a little bit of time. And now it's read that file and plotted the forks. And like I said, this is really simple, but this is mainly to test that different people can get CoLab running on their different systems and at least get some data in and plotted.